Hello and welcome to the Evolution revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please like, subscribe and comment to support the channel. Evolution is the change in inherited characteristics of a population over time. It happens through a process called natural selection. Over long periods, this can lead to the formation of a new species. Origin of life. The theory of evolution by natural selection states all species evolved from simple life forms. These first appeared over 3 billion years ago. Over time, organisms became more complex. The Earth was formed about 4.5 billion years ago as a comparison. About 3.5 billion years ago, simple bacteria evolved. About 500 million years ago, fish evolved. 250 million years ago, reptiles evolved. 200 million years ago, mammals evolved. About 200,000 years ago, modern humans evolved. Variation. Individuals in a population are not all the same. They show variation. Variation can be caused by genetics, so differences inherited from parents, the environment, so the conditions in which an organism grows, and some variations make individuals better suited to survive in their environment. So as an example, white rabbits are better camouflaged in a snow scene and less likely to be eaten by predators. However, the brown rabbit stands out, so it's more likely to be eaten by a predator. And this would be an example of variation, and so this gives the white rabbits a survival advantage. Evolution is the change in inherited characteristics of a population over time. So in the previous example for the rabbits, the variation, so in a population of rabbits there's a variation in fur color, so brown or white. There is a mutation, so a random genetic mutation causes some rabbits to have white fur. There will be a selection pressure, so in a snowy environment the white rabbits are better camouflaged. There is a survival advantage. The white rabbits are less likely to be seen by predators, so more of them survive. And in terms of reproduction, these white rabbits will reproduce and pass on the white fur allele to their offspring. So over time, so evolution, the number of white rabbits increases and the population becomes mostly white. There is a key point here, and that is that evolution is the change in inherited characteristics over time, as I've already said. However, the way those inherited characteristics change over time is normally driven by the mechanism of natural selection, which is what's been described here. But remember, evolution is always the change in inherited characteristics over time. Speciation is the formation of a new species. A species is a group of individuals that can breed together to produce fertile offspring. Sometimes populations become separated, such as by a river. They experience different environments, and so different traits are selected. Over time, they become so different they cannot interbreed, and this means that a new species has formed. Key terms. Evolution is the change in inherited characteristics of a population over time. Natural selection, survival of the fittest, and it's the mechanism which drives evolution. Species are organisms that can interbreed to produce fertile offspring. Variation are differences in characteristics between individuals of the same species. An adaptation, a feature that an organism has which will increase its chance of survival. Thank you for watching. See our revision notes, the link is in the description.